On the Measurements page, select the Active PL toolbox to access the document price list. Display the item's tariff, the description, the unit of measure and the unit rate. And in the summary you find the quantity and the amount of items used in the calculation. Group the items according to the structure of the chapters or based on one of its levels. Order entries alphabetically by description. And choose to display the brief or extended description on one or more rows. Select an item and highlight it within the estimate document. Like the other editors, the Active PL also has the search toolbar with its main functions. Active PL closes automatically, but you can lock the window and resize the two editors as preferred.